It is your capability, your output, your devotion that actually matters. So what you do in your bedroom is nobody's business. And that was the attitude that I had, and that was what I portrayed across to my team. The team accepted it. My board accepted it extremely well. And now it's nothing for us to talk about anymore. It's normal. So what has happened so far is that we've reached a level where our development has come to a platform where we do need to now go to the next level. And to do that, I'm actually going public, and I'm in the process right now of going public. So hopefully I should be able to raise a fairly large amount of, a large sum, which will allow me to go further into development. And where do I want to develop? I want to continue developing in India, but I'm developing now in the mid-segment, and we're going into tier 2 and tier 3 cities to reach out to the mid-segment, which is ranging from 2-star to 4-star. So that would then complete our complete network of hospitality, where we will have covered all segments and almost all cities that are relevant in terms of tourism. I'm particularly very keen to develop the religious sector, which is one of the most traveled upon in India. So we've got a whole map in front of us where we want to be. We also have a lot of land banks that are already available to us. So therefore, the next step will be to develop into that segment, and then after that, it's up to the next generation.
Where in the world is most? I'm going to come to this question, but where in the world is most exciting for you right now?
India.
Yeah.
It is the most exciting, and
Paris.
I don't want to be anywhere else. I'm very happy being in London. I'm extremely happy, but focus right now, my development is completely focused in India.
You just want to go to Paris, right?
Well, my husband's French, and so you know whose side I'm on for Brexit. But no, I mean, I think that right now we're at a situation where we've expanded so rapidly since my father has passed away, and we are quadrupled the business. Not just when it comes to hotel rooms in terms of number of rooms, but also the number of team members, the number of outlets, the F&B outlets, and then opening a hotel in London, which wasn't easy. And it's been successfully running for the last 2 years, but it still hasn't. We're a big fish in India, but a small, fish in a big pond in UK. So I think that for now, our point is to really consolidate and to be able to actually, also sometimes I keep telling her, we need to enjoy what we've done and not just go crazy in the expansion. Yeah. Consolidate in a way that we'll be able to raise the capital as we can. First, give that back to the business, because whatever we earn, we give it into the business, contrary to a lot of other companies, because we own and manage all our properties. So all of it goes back there. I think a lot of our properties need that. And then after that, yes, take it further. But India is, of course, our biggest, market and our bread and butter.